Hi, and today we're doing a review on the Gorilla Rifle UP1. So I upgraded the Gorilla Rifle, as you can see. Now it's red, my favorite color. And we're gonna get kills with it now. Bam! Let's just... Oh my gosh, there's the dude. Shoot! Just make him use... Oh my gosh, he actually hit. So let's just get in his house. So that dude in some crystal armor. Really good. What? Oh my gosh, it's another hacker. So that's why he has the prototype fully upgraded. Okay, that's my ammo. I need the ammo. I think he wants to draw. Oh shit. I think he's up there. But I'm not gonna make it there in time. No way. Not even with the flare, dude. I wouldn't get it in time. Okay, the diamond dude is on our side. But the hacker, and this dude is also a hacker, I just know it, is on the other side. The ruby armor hacker on the other side. I think the ruby armor, even to upgrade, is 150 coins. Where are you gonna get those many coins? Uh-uh. 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 Uh. Okay, he sees me, I think. I'm just gonna take a shot after a shot. Shit! Finally got him. Jesus Christ. No, my packet of... Little bitches. I need that packet of emu. I have the freaking gorilla rifle. And you people are hackers, so I can't imitate my emu. You see more ammo right there, but let's just look for them. So he didn't see me. Oh my gosh. 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 Shit. God damn you guys. It's gonna be a perfect plane. My your voice. God damn it. You really scared. Ah, how did he get me? I wasn't even close to him. I was close to him, but I wasn't in front of him. Wow, game. Ah! So that dude definitely has... Oh, damn it! Just gonna check. I was so fast. Okay, I see him. Oh, not now. Wow. You don't see me down here now. Just faster. Sonic X. Okay, this guy has the brutal headhunter. No. So one more round. This guy is on my team. Yeah, the brutal headhunter guy. Good. It is actually said that the gorilla rifle is not gonna be better than the freaking. What is it? Shit, he saw me. Dang it. Come on. I knew that. This is a freaking hickey. Why was you Gigi? I wouldn't hacker. Remember the video with the hacking Elvis? Yeah, that's impossible to beat them. I wasn't even next to the shot. Hacker Elvis, treacherous. That part. Like, dang it. No. Hacker Elvis, treacherous. I'm just gonna keep getting. Hacker, why you don't buy your heart? Not that I'm giving you that idea. Don't stop. Okay. Shit. Just going in there. No, not the glitching. No. Glitch. There we go. Wow, that took a long while. Huh. He saw me. Are you kidding me? Hacker. No. Oh, god damn it. Another guy with a jetpack. Like, wow, you guys are so good. That's why I hate the new update. That's the only thing I hate about the update. It's the jetpack. Like, dude. There we go. I did it. It doesn't say Earthbound or something like that. It's my name. Shut up. Hacker. Well, that's the end of the video. I can't stop. I can't play with this guy. Bye. See